already know that we can view multiplication as repeated addition. So if we had 2 times 3, we could literally view this as 3 2's being added together. So it could be 2 plus 2 plus 2. Notice this is 1, 2, 3 2's, and when you add those 2's, you get 6. What we're going to introduce you to in this video is the idea of repeated multiplication, a new operation that really can be viewed as repeated multiplication. And that's the operation of taking an exponent. Exponent. And it sounds very fancy, but we'll see with a few examples that it's not too bad. So now let's take the idea of 2 to the third power, which is how we would, let me write this down in the appropriate colors. So 2 to the third power. So you might be tempted to say, hey, maybe this is 2 times 3, which would be 6. But remember, I just said this is repeated multiplication. So if I have 2 to the third power, this literally means multiplying 3 2's. So this would be equal to, not 2 plus 2 plus 2, but 2 times, and I'll use a little dot for multiplication, 2 times 2 times 2. Well, what's 2 times 2 times 2? Well, that is equal to 8. So that is equal to 8. So 2 to the third power is equal to 8. Let's try a few more examples here. What is 3? What is 3 to the second power going to be equal to? And I'll let you think about that for a second. I encourage you to pause the video. So let's think it through. This literally means multiplying 2 3's. So let's multiply 3. Let me do that in yellow color. Let's multiply 3 times 3. So this is going to be equal to 9. Let's do a few more examples. What is let's say 5 to the, let's say 5 to the fourth power. And what you'll see here is this number is going to get large very, very, very fast. So 5 to the fourth power is going to be equal to multiplying 4 5s. So 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Notice we have 1, 2, 3, 4 5s, and we are multiplying them. We're not adding it. This is not 5 times 4. This is not 20. This is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So what is this going to be? Well, 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. 125 times 5 is 625.